Good afternoon folks and welcome to a video. Here today at Tir Prince, so it was Tir Prince, it's now Funland in Towan, just outside Rhyl. And I'm pleased to announce I can bring you this one, the Red Devil, the Loop Fighter. Main reason I'm here today to try this one, the new ride here. It's good, it's good. Not as good as No Limit, I don't think, the one at Stoke Winter Wonderland, but pretty awesome all the same. So, a quick one of that. Just now the motor rides, wave swinger, and just going to scan out here and bring this one as well. The Revachon spinning car's been relocated. This one from Lightwater Valley. Got on the credit there, so I hadn't needed to do it here. Put a tenner on the new card. The Tir Prince cards are no longer valid because it's no longer Tir Prince. So anybody who's got them, they'll have to send them back. Give me a notice at the thing to send it back, but I can't be bothered with that sort of thing. So I just got another card and put a tenner on it. Done the twister, did the wave swinger, and obviously done this one. Right, get you a few more rides, but yeah, that's Red Devil, Technical Park Loop Fighter, and the relocated Revachon Magic Mouse. Yeah, you've got the new twister ride here, KT Enterprises, this one, replacing the ProTech, I think it were, one that were here last year. That's gone now, replaced by this one. Like the one at Fantasy Island, which is also a KT one, very, very good, very quick. You get a good whip round on there. I'll just bring another aspect of the spinner. It's a Revachon, formerly at Lightwater Valley. Yeah, I think this is a new waltzer here as well. Get up here. The other waltzer here was absolutely insane. I haven't bothered with this one today. It's not doing much turning at the minute, but this is the big wheel. This was over the other side last year, the Technical Park big wheel. Got good views up there at Towan, and you can actually see Knightly's from up there as well, just down the road. But yeah, 3 credits to get on that one. As I said, not very busy at the present time. And another one of the Loop Fighter. I hope you can see that because I'm looking right into the sun. So nice to do another one. 4 I've done now. So the best one I've done is No Limit, I reckon.
Yeah, here we go. Let's rock your bodies, let's shake it.
Got that nice little bit of the cycle near the end of the ride where your heart was in your mouth, your legs were around your head. Great rides. Gotta say the KMG inversions are better, but these ain't a bad second place, I don't think.
Empty buses, empty spaces, moving out for the next ride.
I'll get a quick shot of this Seastorm. That was the same over the other side. There's been quite a lot of movement since last year here. I know you can hear me over the jump and smile. So that just got another shot of that one, and the Miami as well, which was next to the booster, but that's also gone, the Fabry booster. And then also I reckon this one was at Digby Fair, Monster Express, the ghost train. Reckon that were down there. I did it. If that is the one, I did it and it were not that good. But it's a ghost train credit after all, so right, I'll look at somewhere to finish off, get a few more clips and cemetery hours, I think. Yeah, just a quick rundown of the rides, how much they cost. Forgot to include that, I always like to include them. Unfortunately getting my shadow on there, but hopefully you can see them anyway. What's runaway train, by the way, that is the old one that used to be at Western Supermare. Got the credit down there. Yeah, the go-karts. Quick clip of them before, 6 credits. Yeah, I thought there were no other finish to the video than finishing it off with Red Devil, Ride of the Park. Yeah, nice bit of hang time at the top. Anyway, that is it for this one. Yeah, the Revshon standing right by that, filming this one. That is it for this one. You might be asking, where's Sarah? Well, she's actually at Wicksteed Park as we talk. So I'm going to use the wave swinger as the closing scene, otherwise she'll tell me off. But no, we just decided she wanted to do Wicksteed Park, I wanted to come up here and do this contraption. You wouldn't see her on that one. Not at the moment, you wouldn't. I am working on it, it's a work in progress. So as per usual, it's the 12 bus from Rhyl railway station, Rhyl bus station right next to the railway station. I've actually walked up, just as quicker to walk up today than get the bus, but got my steps in. I'm having a step challenge with Sarah, so cheating a little bit. But we've enjoyed it. I'll see if I can get a video at night, at least there might not be much there. There's a coast credit I need to do, so I thought I'd just nip down and do that one. And I will close this off with a wave swinger. And for this one, it's 2 for now from Towan. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you soon. Thank you very much. Take good care.